Hi everyone, my name's Caitlin. I'm a holistic nutrition consultant and the author of a blog called grassfedgirl.com. Thank you so much for watching today. My videos are all about Hashimoto's and healing with the carnivore diet. So if that's interesting to you, then you're in the right place. Now, today is really exciting because we are going to be making a carnivore/keto cheesecake. It's really fun. You could make it with no sweetener if you want to make it savory and carnivore, or you can make it keto, and I will show you how to put the sweetener in to make it keto friendly. So stay tuned all the way to the end to see how I make easy keto carnivore cheesecake. First things first, get your mise en place. That means everything that you need to cook with. So it means all of your gadgets and all of your bowls and your ingredients. You're gonna need some swerve or some kind of keto sweetener if you want it sweet. You're gonna need some vanilla. This is from Costco. And you need some sour cream. This is an organic one from Kroger. And you just need 8 ounces of that. I got too much, but I'm only gonna use half of it. And then you also need your cream cheese. This needs to be room temperature. So the one from Philadelphia is much, much better, but I didn't get that. So I also make keto bread with this, and I have another recipe called Fathead. Of course, I didn't make it up, but anyway, that's what I'm using this for. But if you have the Philadelphia, it's much, much better. It doesn't get as clumpy, so it's much smoother. Definitely get the Philadelphia if you can. Then you need your bowl. You need your stainless steel bowl. You need some kind of a mixer. This is the hand blender. You could also use an old-fashioned, with the 2 thing. And you need a pan like this and some of these little thingies. The swerve, the vanilla, your 8 ounces of cream cheese. This is your vanilla. This is your 8 ounces of sour cream. You can use Daisy. That's a really good one. Doesn't have any additives. You need your muffin tin liners, your muffin tin, and also your bowl and your hand blender. Also, you need 2 eggs. I have some organic cage-free eggs here. So 2 eggs. Go over to your oven and set it for 325. Mine is just going now. Now we're gonna start putting it together. So get your cream cheese. Make sure it's room temperature now. And you're gonna put in your sour cream. I've got my cream cheese in there, and I'm gonna add my sour cream. And I'm adding my sour cream now. Now you're gonna add your vanilla and your eggs, 2 eggs. Now you're going to add in your swerve, 1 cup of swerve. If you don't like it very sweet, just leave it out or put in a little less. 3/4 cup will also work, but it won't be super sweet. So 1 cup is gonna be really sweet. And like I said, just leave that off if you want it to be a savory cheesecake. Now you're gonna start your blending. You can see it's starting to come together. Now you can see it's really pretty thin, and it's all mixed up. So let's take a taste and see how it is. It's perfect. Get your pan fixed with your liners. I don't know if it's gonna, probably makes just about 9, but I'm just got them all filled for just in case. Mixture with like a 1/4 cup thing and fill it about 3/4 of the way. Doing it with these liners will make it cook and cool faster, so you can get your cheesecake fix faster than if you cook it all in one big thing. Okay, look at that. I got 12 perfectly made out of there. So that's just right. Right. Okay, here they are. I'm gonna put them in the oven, 325. Make sure it's 325 because if you cook them too high, you will need a bain-marie, which is a water bath, and that's more trouble. So just cook them on a little lower. Even 300 would work, but it will take longer. So 325 is just about perfect, and probably for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes on these. Ready to go. To mention, if you're eating stuff like this on a carnivore diet pretty often, then you probably will be gaining weight or not losing weight. So this is kind of a treat on a special occasion. Maybe I would have this on a birthday or on a holiday, but not every day. Definitely space it out, especially if you're new to carnivore. Don't start making a lot of complicated recipes and stuff because you're not doing it right. You are overcomplicating it. So definitely just do simple things like meat, steak, burgers, eggs. Don't try to make complicated recipes because it's going to increase your caloric density and it's going to make food hyper palatable, and then you're just going to be kind of shooting yourself in the foot. So definitely just keep this for special occasions. Just a little note there. One more tip, I've heard people use glycine instead of a sweetener. So I've never done that. You can buy glycine. It's an amino acid and it's very sweet tasting. It doesn't have sweetener added. But if you want to try that, I didn't get any and I've never tried it, but I have seen other recipes that use that. So if you want to try that to make it sweet without a sweetener, then you can, and that would be more carnivore friendly than to use a keto sweetener like Swerve or xylitol or erythritol. Those are all keto sweeteners, not carnivore friendly. All right, so I took them out of the oven. They look great. These cooled off a little while, and then I'm gonna put them in the fridge for an hour so they get cool. These just have been sitting out for a little bit, and they were puffy, but they puffed down, so they unpuffed. So here's what they look like. And then they're gonna get chilled now, and then they're gonna taste really good. So don't eat them now. It takes some patience, I know, but they're gonna be much better when they're cold. Okay, I'm back, and these have been chilling for about 2 hours in the fridge. They look delicious. They did fall a little bit, but I don't know. They were really puffy and then they kind of fell a little bit, but the main thing is the taste. So let's see how the taste is. You can see it does come out pretty well. You could serve this with some strawberries if you're more keto. So it does come out pretty good. One tip is use the confectioner's Swerve. That dissolves better than the granulated, FYI. Oh my gosh. So good. That is just wonderful. I want to eat the whole thing. Okay, so remember, it's just 1 cup of Swerve. Use a little less if you like it less sweet. 8 ounces of cream cheese, 8 ounces of sour cream, and also vanilla, and 2 eggs. So simple. Anyone can make this. It's very easy. This recipe is in my holiday PDF. You can subscribe to my newsletter down below, and you can get it in a PDF with it full of carnivore holiday recipes. So make sure and subscribe to that down below. Thank you so much for watching today. Please leave a like and a thumbs up if you make this. Leave a comment, tell me how you liked it. Really appreciate you watching. See you next time. Bye-bye. Is in my holiday PDF. You can subscribe to my newsletter down below, and you can get it in a PDF with it full of carnivore holiday recipes. So make sure and subscribe to that down below. Thank you so much for watching today. Please leave a like and a thumbs up if you make this. Leave a comment, tell me how you liked it. Really appreciate you watching. See you next time. Bye-bye. Is in my holiday PDF. You can subscribe to my newsletter down below, and you can get it in a PDF with it full of carnivore holiday recipes. So make sure and subscribe to that down below. Thank you so much for watching today. Please leave a like and a thumbs up if you make this. Leave a comment, tell me how you liked it. Really appreciate you watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.